Firstly, human thought of protecting themselves from rain, sun, weather, etc. To find any material which could serve such kind of purpose, humans searched from nature and found many natural fibers. But even before that, perhaps humanity found leather, but sooner fiber served purpose in a better way. Complexity of weaving arrived, and since then there are numerous applications of textile materials. It is not only used to cover body, but also in many other utilities it is used, like as medical, agriculture, automotive, packaging, civil, etc. Here we are going to talk about the textile which is used in automobile industry. Automobile industry is growing, so as automotive textile too. It will be used in future too. It is used in making belts, airbag, carpets, filters, battery separators, hoses, belt, reinforcements, hood liners. You know what is hood liner is? Here you can see. Automobile industry uses all kind of textile components. On average, in automobile, nearly 20 to 25 kg of textile is used. It is used to enhance aesthetic and sensual comfort. Besides it, some textile is used in composite, tire reinforcement, sound insulation, and vibration control. Okay, if you calculate area wise, the seat cover uses too much of fabric, nearly 4 to 5 meter of square. Textile material is used for this purpose. As there are a broad use of textiles, we normally classify things to make it easier. In same way, there are classification of automotive textile too, and they are comfort, safety, aesthetic, and specialty material characteristics. Maybe in upcoming mid-decade, there may be any new classification, but at this time, these four are major way to classify the material used. Comfort includes physiological as well as psychological aspect, and it is used in seat majority. In aesthetic, which is used for interior, includes carpet, roof liners, sidewalls for decoration purpose. For safety purpose, seat belts, airbags, and helmets are considered. Besides it, some textile is used for noise controller, filter, battery separators, and composite material. There is one more way to classify materials used in automotive, and that is visible component and concealed component. Upholstery, carpet, seat belts, roof liner, as these are visible, so these are called visible component, while component like as tire cord, airbag, composite material do not appear, so they are called concealed components. Nearly 30 components are used in a motor car. And let us see again some products which are used in mobile tech, and these are automotive upholstery, airbag fabric used to reduce weight of the body parts, tire cord fabric, tires, engines, composite for body and suspension parts, comfort and decoration, safety, car body covers, headliners, insulation field, sun blinds, helmets, airline disposables, webbing for aircrafts, aircraft upholstery, railway seating fabrics, cargo fastening belts, lifting straps, and composite performs. You can see here that there are so many applications from very small to large uses. We will look into some of major components among these. So firstly, we will look into seat cover and upholstery. Car seats are important part of interior. If you would agree on this, because it is one of the component which appear most in upholstery, nearly 5 to 6 square meter of fabric is used, and these fabrics are made of PES material. Mostly, PES, the full form is polyether sulfone. In seat cover, initially leather was used primarily, but later leather imitating materials like a synthetic material started being used, and lately these got replaced by vinyl and vinylidene chloride material, as they had some desired properties like as high light fastness, but lacked some other desired properties like as mechanical wear and tear, acoustic absorption. Besides what material told above, there are other materials too which is used like as cotton, viscose, acrylic. There are many types of seat covers which is used currently, and they are as follows: camo seat cover, canvas seat cover, mesh seat cover, neoprene seat covers, leather seat covers, pet seat covers, and denim seat covers. All these type of seat covers fulfill some requirements, and whoever can understand these requirements may come up with most suitable material. For service related properties like as mechanical behavior, the seat and seat cover should have some limit of strength, elongation, bedding and folding, tear propagation, dimensional stability, process resistance. While in aging behavior, the seat and seat cover must be resistant to heat, cold, temperature, sunlight, humidity, and color fastness. As seat cover gets lots of sunshine, the color should be resistant to friction, light, chemicals, sweating. While in frictional behavior, there is so much of friction on seat, so they should bear brushing up, abrasion, piling, fiber migration. Physiological demand, and seat should have air permeability, heat and humidity permeability. If you think of car, it is closed for most of the time. The material should not emit toxic elements and smelling. It should have contamination and cleaning behavior, electrostatic behavior, flammability, and nowadays recyclability is also one of the requirement in material which is used. Stuffing inside seat is also a crucial component. Initially, for stuffing, hair was used, but sooner it is found that the cars are more than hairs available. So coconut fiber was used agglomerated with latex mixture. Nowadays, PU foam is used in many countries for stuffing. PU foam had numerous advantages beside one, and that is poor physiological comfort in PU foam. This is the reason that some of the pure textile materials like as 3D material and spacer fabric do have much more potential to be used. In fact, some manufacturers have started using these kind of materials too. The second important and visible component in automotive interior is carpet. The important qualities parameters in carpets are as withstanding high temperature, light fastness, moldability, soil and abrasion resistance. Carpets are made via two methods, that is tufting and needle felting, and mostly PP non-woven is used. Roof headliners, in early stage only fabrics were used to cover the metal part, but nowadays they may comprise of 3 to 8 layers or even more depending on the requirement. Each layer serves some certain purpose like as rigidity, aesthetic. Seat belts, we all know the purpose of seat belt. High strength is primary requirement. To make it, needle looms are used because of higher speed. As raw material, nylon or PES with woven structure is used. Usually PES preferred because it is high quality material and it does have the following qualities like as high strength, elongation up to 25%, excellent abrasion resistance, moisture regain up to 0.4%. That's low but it's okay. High melting point, difficult to ignite, excellent resistance to sunlight, resistant to most common chemicals. Nearly all requirements are fulfilled by this material. Airbags, that is textile material. Again, we all know the purpose of airbag. To make it, nylon 6 is used, coated and coated both. The fabric should have the following qualities: high tensile strength, high tear and bursting strength, good heat stability, good aging characteristics, high energy absorption, functionality at extreme hot and cold conditions, good packability. Notice most effort is going to make airbag lighter, cheaper, better performance. In future, the airbags may have the following qualities like light fabric with good packing using cold inflator technology, new coating polymer, new application for airbag like as side curtain, rollover protection, external pedestrian protection, or that is made via combination of non-woven and films. So airbag is over. Now let us go through insulating felts. Noise and vibration are two many important aspects to consider. Nobody wants these two vibrations. A term called NVH, which stands for noise, vibration and harshness, is important while we think about insulating felts. It is used in bonnet lines, outer dash, wheelhouse, outer floor, undersealed. To serve these, 100% PES non-woven technical textile is used via these methods, that is needle punching, phenolic resin bonded and thermoplastic. Now we will see small application areas. Among them one is sun visor and helmet, car outer body, car outer body cover, which is made of HDPE, PVC, nylon, reinforced cotton materials, and a canvas covers. Tire cord fabric. If you have ever studied about nylon fiber, so you know well that they are used to making tire cord. Filters. Okay, so we will discuss on it any other time. Basically, filters are used in the following parts. There is carburetor air filter, engine oil filter, fuel tank filter, cabin interior filter, diesel filter, ABS wheel filter, power steering filter, transmission filter, wiper washer screen filter, air condition filter, crankcase breather filters. Acoustic. For acoustic, there are top layer made of tufted bulked continuous filament nylon or needle punched PES or PP back acrylic. Thermoforming layer, which is made of polythene powder, EVA, compound styrene butadiene layer, and heavy layers of EPDM rubber, solid fibers or PU foam act as acoustic layer. If you wanna learn more about it, you should study the behavior of noise and materials related to it. Composite do have numerous advantages. On big advantage that they are light and reduce the overall weight of the vehicle, which is crucial from many aspects. You know, carbon fibers composites are used a lot. Composite materials can replace steel and aluminum, and that is the power of composite. And we may discuss about composite in detail in any other video. Okay, so likewise, 3D fabric have much scope in seating. I'm just taking one application of 3D fabric because of its breathability, and I have made a video on 3D fabric. You may go and see there, find more possibility. If we talk about cars, their primary objective is to provide comfort, and this comfort comes through design of seat, physiological and psychological comfort, moisture sensation. If you have ever been in car, you may sense that there are much things to be done from this perspective. Okay, now it is done. We learned a lot about technical or industrial textile in automotive sector, and I think you have known some basic thing in this field. So now it is your turn to think something and easing the process to bring more comfort in mobile tech. So bye bye, take care. We will meet in another video. Thank you.